So before I move on to show you all the different gadgets that you can add to your homepage, it's important to note that all gadgets should have some preferences, and you can access those in this little drop-down menu right here. So this is just kind of some standard stuff. You've got edit settings, share this gadget. You might also like about this gadget, minimize, maximize, and delete. So you should be able to, most gadgets will have some settings that you can do. See, there's only one setting for this one, and it's just, your zip code. Something like this YouTube gadget, got a couple of settings. This drop down, you can change what you're seeing. I guess that's only the real settings. But just be sure to check it out for each gadget. Like this CNN gadget, I can choose the number of stories I want to see. So each gadget will have some different settings. If you choose to share this gadget, you can enter in email addresses and send people a link to the gadget. The you might also like is kind of interesting too. It's just some similar gadgets that you might also like. So check that out if you've got a gadget that you really like. You can find some similar ones. Got the About This Gadget link, and just some information about the gadgets, the users, ratings, sharing, add it, which is already on my page, but it's also that you might also like over here, and then some comments about it. Go back to the home page. Then, of course, you can minimize gadgets, kind of get them out of your way if you want to. Minimize and maximize, and then last, you can delete them. So those are just some of the preferences, and I already mentioned this, but just remember, you can arrange them however you want by clicking and dragging from this little top bar, so you get the little hand. So that's just some of the preferences available on your gadgets.